What's happening? It's Johnny Snow in the building, and today we getting ready to do a little something to my Canik TP9Sfx Blackout. When I got the Blackout, I had already did a little something to my whiteout. All right, so my whiteout, you see, you got the 4.5 blast on it. So I asked everybody, should I put the 4.5 blast on the Blackout? Everybody said yes, of course. Why deny the 4.5 blast going on the Blackout? So here we have it. We got the 4.5 Blast Compensator. Here it is. These running about 210. About 210 from 4.5 blast. You know, shout out 4.5 blast. I like these things. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to install this. It's super simple, super duper simple. You know, you first of all make sure your gun is empty. You know, and we are empty. And you get it, you slide the 4.5 blast on the rail. All right, you got it on the rail. So now you have these holes on the bottom for the rail that's gonna go on there now. So pop that on, get everything lined up. You have two screws that go bam and bam right there. So once you get your screws in there, go ahead and tie your screws up. All right, we got those screws in there. See, yeah, we got them in there. Everything's looking flush. So now you have these screws right here to go on there. Let me get those on in there. All right, so now the Blackout is 4.5 blasting. 4.5 blasting on the Blackout. All right, you got the Blackout and the whiteout. 4.5 blasted out. 4.5 blasted out. All right, so tell me what you think. Now, should I do anything else to these things or leave them alone? Of course, you know I have not fired. I haven't fired neither one of these. I just keep them in the safe, but you know I still like to do a little something to them. And a lot of people say, yeah, it's a Canik. It ain't gonna ever be worth no money. Well, this is 5034 with 7500 with the whiteout, and I figure why only have a whiteout when you can have a whiteout and a Blackout. So in my opinion, it comes as a set. So that's the set right there. 4.5 blasting with the Canik whiteout, 4.5 blasting with the Canik Blackout. Now hit me in the comments, tell me what you think. You know, it's an easy installation process, real easy installation process. No problem with that, no problem with that. And hold on. As you see the way that this works, the barrel is right there, and that's how the compensator works. So 4.5 blasting with the Blackout. All right, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe with the notifications. And Johnny Snow up out of here.